Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining scope and assembling materials so the work is focused and fast. Choose 50 to 200 words that match the class level, then gather images, free clip art, or quick photos because clear visuals are the core. Once done, pick a format, printable, slideshow, or wall chart. This determines layout rules. Make sure to set a consistent image size, about 300 to 600 pixels, and keep naming simple. That saves time later during layout and review. You now build each dictionary entry step by step so learners can scan and absorb. Place one word per cell with the picture above or beside it, add the part of speech and a short example sentence. This shows usage. For print, use a 2-column grid. For screens, design 16 to 9 slides. Consistent fonts and sizes matter. Keep the main word large, the example smaller. Once you finish a page, quickly proof a sample to catch layout or labeling errors. You finish by proofreading and exporting with the audience in mind, so the resource is usable immediately. Read every word and check each image for accuracy and cultural appropriateness. This preserves learning quality. Export as PDF for print or PPTX/MP4 for screens, and compress images moderately to avoid large files. If pages look crowded, reduce text or use simpler images. If something goes wrong, swap any unclear image. Increase contrast and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.